Lots of rides. You want to see what? Coming. That's what?
Not like to be awake during the winter time. What do we call that? It's kind of a greenish blue. That's right. There are some chickens. This sound doesn't really bother or hurt our ears, but to monkeys.
But they're not wearing pajamas. Look at me, Papa. Fence scratched you. I don't think it was the llama. See, he's looking. Pet his. Let me know when you want to go on that. Whee! Emperor. Emperor. Papa, look at me. Whee! No way.
She wants to get on this crazy bus.
Miss Francesca.
Smile.
Papa's on the eating a meal.
Himself and Abigail attempting to eat.
Oh, okay. Oh, you come from ABC. Papa. Wait a minute. Okay. Did I tell you about sticks? I don't want you near
Mom and Dad. If the mom and dad's going, they don't.
Papa, look at me. Woo! Woo, woo, Papa. Woo. Chugga, chugga. Emperor, this way. Look at me. I can't even see his face. Papa. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Emperor! What happened? That's it? Hey! Thank you. You see that up there, the bird? Smell the flower. Where? Look under. Arm down. Left arm down. There's your cow. I promised you a cow in here. No, not on your shirt. He's right there. You want to touch him? Well, he's not over here for you to touch him yet. He's eating. He's grazing. Yeah. So perhaps he'll come over and you can pat him later.
Oh. He likes it now.
Horses. Mini horses. Pet his nose. No? See, watch. Let me show you. You can pet his nose. See? Hello, horsey. Hello.
He did it. Oh, he tummy. Oh, my tummy. Still use it.
They're looking at you?
Yeah.
They are looking at you.
Oh, step. I take mommy bush.
And the horses are looking at you too. Look at the ponies right behind you, Emperor. I can film you. If you get on by yourself, then I can film you.
No.
You're not going to ride it by yourself?
Um,
Will you think about it? Yeah, the bulldozer, you can pick up the hay all by yourself. Look at what you're doing.
Alright, she's over here. I'm gonna push it forward. I'm gonna open up. Push it to the left. Bring it back up. Push it forward, bring it all the way down.
Look, going down, going down. This is a corn box, not a sandbox, a corn box. 28-month-old Emperor on this ride called the Crazy Bus. Up high, down low. Did you have fun? Yeah?
You know what it is, that ride I got on it with him? That one that spins around?
The teacups?
No, the one that goes in the air.
Oh, the Crazy Bus?